Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete like on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app. Okay, and tap on menu option. Click on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Okay, scroll down. Tap on your activity, click on activity log. Okay, scroll down and tap on this option. Click on view, then back, tap on this option. Okay, click on this option and tap on three dot option. Just click and tap on unlike. Then to delete like on Facebook. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.